Hello everyone, my name is Thomas, and in today's video, I will show you how to make a talking AI avatar. First, visit a website called Mango AI. Let's start with creating an account. For this video, I use my Google account. After you create an account, you have to verify it. Go to your email and click on the link in the email. After that, you will be redirected to the main website. Here, click on Mango AI. On the right side, you will see the AI avatar. Click on Try It Now. On the left side, you have the text input, and on the right side, you have the avatar. Let's start by importing some text. I generate random text using ChatGPT. On the left side, click on the button Avatar. Here, you can choose your character. I'll keep this young gentleman. You can also adjust basic avatar settings, such as resolution, facial pose, and lip sync. If you want better quality, you can choose 4K resolution. Now, let's change the background. Under the avatar section on the left side, there is a background section. Here, you can select the background image you want. I'll pick this one. Now let's add some music. On the right side under the video there is a music section. You can add music from the website or upload your own. Once you're happy with all the settings, click on the colorful button, Generate AI Video. And that's it. Now we just wait.
Do not get distracted. Do not linger. You are a warrior, and warriors know when to pick their fights. They took what is ours, and we do not allow those crimes to go unpunished. You do not fear. You do not falter.
That was the tutorial on how to create a talking AI avatar. It was a very simple video. If you have any questions or want to learn more, write your question in the comments section.